Assalamu alaikum. We are going to continue with our subject and chapter number 11, problems on measurement. As we have started with problem set 47, we will continue with it. So problem set 47 we have done with question number 7. We will continue with question number 8. During cleanliness week, children cleaned the public park in their town. They collected 3/4 kilograms of plastic bags and 5.5 kilograms of other garbage. How much garbage did they collect in all? So there was a cleanliness week, so student has cleaned the public park, understood, and they have collected some plastics and garbage. So we have to find how much they have collected in all. So 3/4 kilograms of plastic bag is how much? 1000 into 3/4, understood? That is 3 upon 4 is quarter, and we have find the 3/4. So when we divide it, we get the answer here as 750 grams. And 5.5 kilograms of other garbage, that is 5 kg and 500 grams. So what we will do? We will do the addition. So kilograms, grams, that is 570 grams of plastic and 5 kg 500 grams of other garbage. So when we add it, we get the answer here as 5 kg and 1250 grams. So 1250 grams can be written as 1 kg plus 250 grams. So 1 kg will be added with 5, that is 6, and 250 grams will come as it is. So they collected 6 kg 250 grams of garbage in all. Next, question number 9. If one shirt needs 2 meters at 50 centimeter of cloth, how much cloth do we need for 5 shirts? Understood? So if we have to make one shirt, we require cloth of 2 meter 50 centimeter, and we have to make 5 shirts. So here we will do the multiplication. So one shirt needs cloth is how much? 2 meter 50 centimeter, which we can also write it as 2.50. Next, 5 shirts needs cloth is how much? 2.50 into 5. So 2.50 into 5, the answer is 5 zeros are 0, 5 5s are 25. 2 up, 5 down. Then point will come as it is. 5 2s are 10 plus 2, 12. So this decimal we can convert it into meter and centimeter. So before decimal it is meter, and after decimal it is centimeter. So 12 meter 50 centimeter cloth we need for 5 shirts. Next, question number 10. That is, if a car travels 60 km in an hour, how much? 60 km. So in hour, that is how many minutes? 60 minutes. So 1 kilometer in 1 minute. Understood? So how far will it travel in 2 hours? So car travels 60 km is 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. So car travels in 1 kilometer is how much? In 1 minute. So first we'll talk about 2 hours. 2 hours is 2 into 60 kilometer, that is 120 kilometer. Next, 15 minutes. So for second 15 minutes, that is 1 minute is equals to 1 kilometer. So 15 minutes is equals to 15 kilometer. Next, half an hour means how much? 30 minutes. So 30 minutes in 1 minute it is 1 kilometer. So in 30 minutes it is 30 kilometer. Next, 3.5 hours. So 3 into 60. Yes or no? 3 hours means 3 hours. 3 into 60. Understood? Plus half an hour, that is 30. So 180 plus 30, that is 210 kilometers. Next, we will move on to our next question. Question number 11. If one gold bangle is made from 12 grams to 50 milligrams of gold, how much gold will be needed to make 8 such bangles? So 1000 mg is equals to 1 gram. Understood? So we will add here. So no, we will find it. That is one bangle is made up of 12 grams and 250 milligrams. 1 gram is equals to 1000 milligram. So solution, 1 gold bangle is equals to 12 grams 250 milligrams. 8 gold bangles will be 12 grams 250 milligrams into 8. So we will do the multiplication. 8 zeros are 0, 8 fives are 40, 4 up 0 down, 8 twos are 16 plus 4 is 20. So it becomes 2000, and 8 twos are 16. So 6 down 1 carry, 8 ones are 8 plus 1 96. So here we know that 1 gram is equals to 1000 milligram. So 2000 milligram will be 2 grams and 0 milligram. So this 2 gram we will add with 96. So it becomes 98. So what answer do we get here? So 98 grams of gold is needed to make 8 bangles. Next question number 12. How many pouches of 20 cloves each can be made from 1 kg 250 gram of cloves? So we have to make pouches of 20 grams of cloves. How much cloves we are having? We are having 1 kg 240 grams. So how many pouches we can make? So first we'll write 1 pouch of 20 grams is equals to 1 kg. Out of 1 kg 240 grams. So 1 kg 240 grams is equals to 1000 plus 240 is equals to 1240 grams. So 1240 divided by 20. So we get the answer as 62 pouches. So 62 pouches can be made 1 kg 240 grams of cloves. Next 13 question. Seema's mother bought 2 meter 70 centimeter of cloth for a kurta and 2 meter 40 centimeter for a shirt. How much cloth did she buy in all? So again we will do in all means addition. So cloth for a kurta is how much? 2 meter 70 centimeter. Then cloth for a shirt is 2 meter 40 centimeter. So cloth in all will be 2 meter 70 centimeter plus 2 meter 40 centimeter. So 2 meter 70 centimeter plus 2 meter 40 centimeter. 70 plus 40 is how much? 110. And 2 plus 2 is 4. So 110 can be written as 1 meter 10 centimeter. So 1 plus 1 will be added with 4, it becomes 5 meter and 10 will come as it is. So Seema's mother bought 5 meter 10 centimeter in all. Next question number 14. A water tank holds 125 liter of water and 97 liter 500 ml of water is used. How much water remains in the tank? So tank's capacity is how much? 125 liter of water, and out of which 97 liter and 500 ml is used. So we have to find how much it is remaining. So water tank holds is how much? 125 liter. Water used from tanks 97 liter 500 milliliter. So water remains in tank is how much? 125 liter minus 97 liter 500 milliliter. So when we subtract it, see here in the liters column it is 125, in milliliters it is 0. Then again in liters it is 97 and in milliliter it is 500. So 0 minus 500 we cannot do. So we have to take it from 125 liter. So when we'll take 1, it becomes 124 and 1 liter becomes 1000 ml. So 1000 minus 500 becomes 500 and 124 minus 97 becomes 27. So water remains in a tank is 27 liter 500 ml. Next question number 15. Harminder bought 57 kg 500 gram of wheat from one shop and 36 kg 800 gram of wheat from another shop. How much wheat did he buy altogether? So he has brought from first shop and in the next shop. So we have to find in all together, that is addition. So wheat bought from first shop is 57 kg 500 grams. Wheat bought from second shop is 36 kg 800 grams. So wheat brought all together 57 kg 500 gram plus 36 kg 800 grams. So the answer is what here? Kg and grams. 57 500, 36 800. So 500 plus 800 is 1300 and 57 plus 36 is 93. So 1300 grams can be written as 1 kg 300 gram. So 1 kg will be added with 93, it becomes 94 and 300 grams will come as it is. So wheat bought altogether is 94 kg 300 grams. Next question number 16. Renu took part in a 100-meter race. She tripped and fell after running 80 meter 50 centimeter. How much distance did she have left to run? So here there was a running race, that is the race of 100 meter. So Renu was running, she ran 80 meter and 50 centimeter. After that she fell down. So we have to find how much distance is remaining. So distance of race is 100 meter. Distance covered is 80 meter 50 centimeter. Distance left is 100 meter minus 80 meter 50 centimeter. So here 100 meter 0 centimeter minus 80 meter 50 centimeter. So 0 minus 50 we cannot do, so we have to borrow. So 100 becomes 99 and 1 meter here becomes 100 centimeter. So 100 minus 50 is 50 and 99 minus 80 is 19. So 19 meter 50 centimeter distance left to run by Renu. Next question. A sack had 40 kg 300 grams of vegetables. There were 17 kg 700 grams potatoes, 13 kg 400 gram cabbage, and the rest were onions. What was the weight of the onions? So here vegetables, the total weight was 40 kg 300 grams, out of which 13 kg 700 gram is potato and 13 kg 400 gram is cabbage. We have to find the weight of onions. So weight of potato is equals to 17 kg 700 grams. Weight of cabbage is equals to 13 kg 400 grams. So when we add it, we get the answer here as 13 kg 1100 grams. So 1100 grams can be written as 1 kg 100 grams. So 1 kg can be added with 30, which becomes 31 kg, and 100 will come as it is. So this is the weight. So now total weight of sack is 40 kg 300 grams. So weight of onion will be 40 kg 300 grams minus 31 kg 100 grams. So when we subtract it, we get the answer here as 9 kg 200 grams. So answer is the total weight of onions is 9 kg 200 grams. So what we have done, first we have added first we have added potatoes and cabbage, and then we have subtracted by the weight of the sack. So we get the answer here of the onions. Next, 18th question. One day Gurminder Singh walked 3 km 750 meter and Parminder Singh walked 2 km 825 meter. Who walked farther and by how much? So farther means here who has walked more. So by looking at the number, we can say that Gurminder Singh walked more as compared to Parminder Singh. So we have to find how much. So we have to do the subtraction. So we will write Gurminder Singh walked 3 kilometer and 750 meter and Parminder walked 2 kilometer 825 meter. So when we subtracted, so 750 minus 825 we cannot do. So we have to borrow from kilometer, that is 3 becomes 3 becomes 2 and 1 kilometer becomes 1000 meter. So 1000 plus 750 is equals to 1750. So 1750 minus 825 becomes 925 and 2 minus 2 is 0. So the answer is Gurminder Singh walked further by 925 meter. Next, question number 19. Suresh bought 3 kg 250 gram of potatoes, 2 kg 500 grams of peas and 1 kg 750 gram of cauliflower. How much was the total weight of the vegetables he bought? So there is a 3 vegetable, that is potatoes, peas, cauliflower. We have to find the total weight of the 3 vegetables. So weight of tomatoes is 3 kg 250 grams. Weight of peas 2 kg 500 grams. Weight of cauliflower 1 kg 750 grams. So when we add 3, here we get the answer here as 6 kg 1500 grams. So 1500 gram can be written as 1 kg 500 gram. So 1 kg will be added with 6, it becomes 7 and 500 gram will come as it is. So the total weight of the vegetables is 7 kg 500 grams. Next question. Jalgaon Bhusawal, Akola, Amravati and Nagpur lie serially on a certain route. The distances between Akola and these other places are given below. Use them to make word problems and solve the problems. So here this question you are going to do it as homework, in which you have to make the question. Understood? So you can make any of the question, like you can ask the distance between Amravati and Akola, or you can say that the total distance. Any question you can make and you can solve it. Next question is also very easy, which you are going to do it as homework, that is complete the following table and prepare the total bill. So here we have to find the rate is given, the weight is given, we have to only do the multiplication, that is 32 into 2.5, 35 into 4.0, like this, and you will find the cost, and then we have to do the addition. So this sum you are going to do it on your own. So with this we have done with our chapter number 11, problems on measurement.